How to fix Facebook search not working problem. In order for you to fix this issue, you need to start by heading over to your application Facebook. Once you're in here, try to close the application and then reopen it. Refreshing the app might fix the issue. If not, check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Once you have the stable Wi-Fi, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store of your device. In the search bar, search for Facebook. Now move into this app. Right here, if you see the option of update, then click on update and update your app to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device and then head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Facebook and then move into it. Now click on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Facebook, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.